Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add the degree Celsius symbol in Excel. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and select the cell where you want to insert the symbol. You can use the symbol dialog box, which is a straightforward way to find and insert special characters. This method is great for one-off insertions or when you need to quickly add the symbol without changing cell formatting. To insert the degree symbol manually, navigate to the Insert tab in Excel's ribbon. Look for the Symbols group and click on Symbol. In the dialog box that appears, select Latin 1 Supplement from the subset drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the degree symbol, click on it, and then press Insert. This places the symbol directly into your selected cell. For a more automated approach, you can use custom number formatting. Select the cells where you want temperatures to display with the Celsius symbol. Right-click and choose Format Cells or press Ctrl+1 on Windows or Command+1 on Mac. Under the Number tab, select Custom. In the Type field, enter a format like #0°C or 0°C, then click OK. You can also combine the degree symbol with text using concatenation, or by using the char function, specifically char 176, which represents the degree symbol. For consistency, consider applying custom formatting to entire columns or rows. Always remember to save your workbook after making these formatting changes to ensure your work is preserved. These methods help you clearly display temperature data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.